Go home happy with the 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control. Enjoy the driving satisfaction you deserve. This Jetta is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.